Did the world wake up on the wrong side of bed? Sleepy-eyed with a red hot pounding head. I'm surprised that we still managed to circle the sun. We should all be dead and buried with the damage we've done. 10 p.m. rolls around, it's the same old tale. A shooting here and the following political trail. I grab a beer and I sit down on the floor. Change it over to the comedy on Channel 4. I only watch it for the weather, and at least there's hope for some. Don't tell me this goes on forever. The weather ain't for everyone. All these guys in suits seem to make all this pain. What good's a rainbow without any rain? It's always crying an impression of somebody else. Change the channel before you lose your sense of self. My little sister doesn't look at the papers they read. All doom and gloom, never what we've achieved. And I don't blame her, but every night at 10:25 I switch it over and hope the weatherman's alive. I only watch it for the weather, then at least there's hope for some. Don't tell me this goes on forever. The weather ain't for everyone. I only watch it for the weather, then at least there's hope for some. Don't tell me this goes on forever. The weather ain't for everyone. And sometimes it turns out to be a cloudy day. I know that come summertime there won't be a drop of rain. You see these problems, they are seasonal. I've given up and I don't watch at all. You said you wanna play your game. You dealt me in, I said I'll pick it up, it's all the same. But don't follow all the rules. I know you don't, you change day by day. Hardly seems that fair. How can anybody understand? How can anybody win? 8 points later, I thought it was about time we hit the finish line. 8 points later, I wasn't winning at all, I was just further behind. You played your hand, I showed my cards. I took my talks right from your heart. I laid them down before your eyes. Game over, blow the whistle, we're out of time. Come on, baby, it's your turn, a time to play. What are you scared of? Why do you keep running away? Come on, just show your hand. Do you even wanna play? It was your idea. You hardly seem to care. Why do you expect me to wanna stay? How can anybody win? 8 points later, I thought it was about time we hit the finish line. 8 points later, I wasn't winning at all, I was just further behind. You played your hand, I showed my cards. I took my talks right from your heart. I laid them down before your eyes. Game over, blow the whistle, we're out of time. You're just using me for fun, to take the win, and then we're done. I thought I meant a little more, don't want